Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's September 1st, 2019. I think it's 7:30 in the evening. I'm showing you our sunset tonight. Take a look at this thing. Does that look like something you remember as a child? It can't look like that because it's not. Look at this. The focus is kind of going out a little bit here because it's dark, but look at this, guys. There's just no way this is any kind of Air Force or any kind of crop dusting. This is so much more. Look below. Look at this. It's black filth. Look at this. This is creepy, guys. This is not normal, and you gotta know that. I don't know how you sit there and go to concerts and stuff and enjoy that when this is going on. Ball games, whatever, but come on, look at this. I'm trying to show you, and many of us are, and we're really tired of trying to show you this stuff because it's important. Your news covers this up, those filth bags. It's all covered up. Look at the bottom of this thing. Look at this. What the hell is that? Sure not rain clouds. And this stuff above here, look at this. Just dripping down from the black. Look at that. Coming straight down on us, guys. And every car I see in Los Angeles is covered in this shit. It's covered in it. The only one making any money on this damn weather fakeness is the car washes. You know? Look at this. Everything has fallout. Every goddamn thing here has fallout. I'm not looking at a sky that's from this realm we're in. This is not from this earth that I remember at all. Look at that. Look at the bottom of that. It's flat with all this filth coming out of the bottom of it. And I'm telling you, I'm not seeing anybody in the neighborhood or anything else seeing anything different than this. But how do you look at this and go that and just say that this is something you remember as a kid? This is not in postcards. Look at this tar pit. This is not a sunset. This is a full-on assault by who knows what. All right, man. I'm hoping that more people will come to their senses and look at this and go, no, this is not good, and we have to stop it any way we can, because they're getting away with something that's pretty damn serious here. This is all, everything you see here is falling down into your children, into your pets, into all life, into the plants. They're pretty much killing us off here, and most are allowing it. Well, I'm going to go out swinging, okay? So whatever happens, I'm not going to sit there and let it happen without trying to expose the piss out of these guys. Look at this freaking diarrhea piece of shit. I'm trying not to cuss, like a lot of people do that, but if there's any reason to cuss, this is the one. Look at this. Can you imagine that? In the background of one of your children's pictures? That's supposed to be the sky. It's laughable. It's freaking laughable. Alright. Okay, guys. I'm sick of this. I'm going to go take massive amounts of drugs here so I can think this looks normal. Okay, so take care of yourself. Just have to show you this stuff, guys. That's what I'm here for. I guess I'm picked out to do this. Many of us are. And we don't like it, but you need to know it. All right, so take care.